Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to update the Dex Trade application on your mobile device. Whether you are using an Android or iOS, you can simply update to the latest running version of Dex Trade in just a couple of steps. Go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store and then search for Dex Trade. Once you find the Dex Trade application in the search results, go ahead and open up this info page and look for an update button if available. If yes, simply tap on the update button. If the app is already updated to the latest version, you will not be able to see the update button in the interface. After you tap the update button if available, you will then be able to download the latest version of your Dex Trade application on your mobile device. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.